Hi, today we'll just be going over some important features about data frames. First, to use data frames, you need to install pandas. Oh, actually, yeah. So let's just say we have this. I guess first let's just make like an array where we have a column for names, and it's this. And then we'll have like an age column, and then just have like a random number that represents them. Or we could do like a salary. Um, okay, and then let's just say we want to convert this into a data frame. What we can do is, all we have to do is df equals pd dot data frame of our data. We need a comma here. So if we want to see the entire data frame, we can do print df, or just on like in a cell by itself, we can do this. Or if we want to see like the first, when you have like larger amounts of data and you want to see like the first couple of um, rows, then you can do df.head, and it's going to show us all of it because we only have 4 rows. So we can see the columns by printing, or we could also just do this, and then print the indices, and it'll basically give you information about the data frame. Next, we can deal with, I guess, data frames with missing values. So if we have like, let's just copy and paste. What we can do is, let's say we have none here, and then here. Or wait, let me. And so what we can do is, oh wait, actually, let me just make it into a data frame. And then, actually shorten this window. What we can do is print, and this is basically going to tell us if the elements are none or not. If it's none, it'll print true. If it's not, then it'll print false. So see, we can see here that this element is none, so it prints true, and then this element is also none, so it prints true here. So if we want to drop all the columns with missing values, rows, we can drop rows 2 and 3 by simply doing df and drop na. And yeah, as you can see, the only remaining ones are rows with all filled values. And we can also do, like we can replace all the, I guess, empty elements with 0. And so now we can see here what was none is now 0. So yeah, these are just some important things to know about data frames. And thank you for watching.